welcome back all of you. In last class, it means previous class, we have read out about the chapter Fascinating Rune. Today we will do the hard words, word meaning and question answers of this chapter. So let me start. And one important thing, in next week it is going to worksheet pattern. Okay, नेक्स्ट वीक से आपका वर्कशीट पैटर्न स्टार्ट हो रहा है जिसमें आपको 10 क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे एंड यू हैव टू रीड आउट द चैप्टर क्लियरली एंड फोकस ऑल द वर्क टू गिव द आंसर्स इन राइट वे. ओके, जो चैप्टर आपको रीड आउट करवाया जा रहा है उसको बहुत अच्छे से रीड आउट करना है आपको, because the questions are related with the chapter but not match with exercise. जो आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एक्सरसाइज में दिए हुए हैं वो क्वेश्चन नहीं होंगे, चैप्टर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन होंगे. चैप्टर के मिड से क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे आपको, इसलिए आपको पूरा चैप्टर बहुत अच्छे से रीड आउट करना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू अवर हार्ड वर्ड्स. आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज fascinating. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज Scotland. Scotland. Third one is anymore. Anymore. Next one is Scottish. Scottish. After that, the next word is important. Now next one is attacked. After that, underground. Okay, after that underground, after crushing. Then after tunnels. Okay, tunnels. Then after imagine. Okay, imagine. Now last word is carry. Now students, if you have any type problem to pronounce these words, you can use this trick also. Suppose this word is fascinating. Now you can write down this word, this type, okay, fascinating, like this type. Okay, you can use this funda with these words to pronounce it. Okay, now it's time to take the screenshot. Now, okay, I remove it. After that, we move forward to our word meaning. Now start. Word meaning. Now your first word is fascinating. I told you while I am explaining the lesson, fascinating, it means charming. In another word we can say attractive. Now Next word is lit. L-I-T, lit. It means light. Okay, it means light. Next word is rocky. Rocky. The meaning of this word is stony. Stony. Now, after that, next word is once. Once. The meaning of this word, one time. Okay, I explain this and use this word you again and again in your classroom or you are at home. Now, next word is castle. Castle. Okay. Castle is a building that look like a fort. Next word is ruin. Ruin. The pronunciation of this word is ruin. Okay, like this type you can use ruin. Ruin. Okay. Now, the meaning of this word is destroy. Destroy. It's time to take the screenshot. Now, okay, students, I remove it. In this chapter, you have many exercises, but you have fill this yourself. Okay, suppose your first exercise is each of these sentence has a mistake in it. Correct the mistake and write the sentence in your notebook. The castle is a ruin and it located in Ireland. It is right or wrong? Then I told you where is the castle located. It is located in Scotland, not in Ireland. So you will replace the word Scotland with Ireland. Okay, Ireland को हटाकर आपको Scotland करना है. You will justify the all sentences and have a correction in this sentence. Okay, now moving forward for our question answers. Now, first question is, why is St. Andrews Castle a ruin? Your answer is, first you have to write the question, why is St. Andrew Castle a ruin? You will pronounce this word ruin. Okay, again and again, ruin. Now, answer of the question, St. Andrews Castle is a ruin because I told you na, because nobody lives, because nobody lives in it now. Okay, now our next question, how was the castle kept safe? How was the castle kept safe. Now answer is soldiers fired the guns one time beta 5 tall towers stood inside the castle. Wall. Castle walls. Soldiers fired the guns and kept the castle safe. Okay. Now question number 3. What happened when the army attacked the castle? What happened when the army attacked the castle 450 years ago. Now take the screenshot. Answer of the third question. The soldiers inside the castle heard some noise. They dug another tunnel and caught the attackers. Now fourth question. Why does one need to be careful when climbing down the tunnel. Now answer of this question. It is need to be careful when climbing down the tunnel because the floors are rough and rocky. Now last question. There was a room built under the ground. Why was it shaped like a bottle? Now answer is it shaped like a bottle because no one can come out from the room. Students, your writing part is complete. It means the chapter is complete. Only your activity is pending left, and you have to do all the exercise yourself. And I hope that you have enjoying your online classes. Okay class, now work is finished. Have a preparation, excellent preparation for your worksheet. Thank you.